If you watch, I see they talk that English coaches. If you watch, there is no difference between Lampard and the sack Graham Potter. Graham Potter go sit down, he no go talk. If you come out to stand for the touchline, he no sit talk. Watch the same thing happen today. Lampard since the beginning of the match, as he get up, that's why he fold hand. Go they catch him. We not say yes for UK. Say that is cold. We get cold weather. The weather, but as it stands, the weather not tell you say make you no open mouth talk. With waiting the boys they play, you not get any gingering spirit to wake up the. If you watch waiting Mikel Obi talk yesterday for the place when I watch him for interview, he say as a player, as a coach, say sometimes they will be player. They feel they slumber for the pitch, they feel they sleep. But the gingering of the coach as the coach get up, shout for them, they go wake up from sleep. Just like when Tuchel tell James, say in they sleep. Everybody see and say, coach, they talk.